Is your phone affecting your skin? It's 2025 and most of us spend a lot of time on our phone and, a lot of time on the phone. But how many of us actually look at what's on our phone and on the screen? What I mean by that, I mean, like, if you put your phone against the light, you can probably see all these fingerprints, pieces of dirt, I don't know, whatever is there on the phone. And like under a microscope, it will, if we actually saw that, we will immediately reach like a clothes and wanna extremely clean the phone. This is the same phone, the same thing that many of us hold against excuse me, against our face every time to make a call. So all these oils and dirt and the stuff on your fingers or other people's fingers, this is all going on the face. It's just bacterias and, yeah, you know what I mean, everything. Think of how many things have touched your phone during the day. And I don't know about you, but I don't know many people who actually clean their phone every day. Excuse me. So it's very common sense. Like, again, another example, you shake the hand of somebody who God knows where his hand was. Did he have a cold? Whatever. And you touch your phone, touch your face, everything is celebrating on your skin, and it can have really like a big effect. So, even we have our creams, we have our serum, we have our cleanser and exfoliating and whatever, and we really want to keep our skin clean and healthy, I believe, most of us. But sometimes we are not aware to these daily things we are doing all the time that can actually create damage. I don't say this is the reason to all your skin damage. Probably the sun is even more, right? But it's just like sometimes I have clients who come to me with just one side of their face, like on the cheek, there are breakouts. So I always ask, like, where do you talk on the phone? Do you hold your phone on this side? And sometimes it's like, oh yeah, maybe I will try to see how that goes if I start talking with an earphone, Bluetooth or a speaker. Like bacteria can they thrive on the environment of dirt and heat. So every time we put the phone here, we can create more breakouts and acne. So this is like, I don't know, it sounds maybe like stupid and small tip, but we want to check the daily stuff that we're not aware. It's not only the creams and all these gorgeous things that you use and you avoid or whatever, but it's our daily. And here in now we cannot, we have to admit our phones are, like, some people really glue to their hands. So make sure they don't glue to your face. Bluetooth, speaker, and watch what happens to your skin. And if you have any more tips how to keep your phone away from your skin, or how to clean your phone, how do you clean your phone? Do you clean your phone? Let me know down in the comments. Have a great day and a beautiful skin inside and out.